Hello everyone, I am Surender. So this is my Tableau Dataviz challenge project. The domain which I was chosen is horticulture. Horticulture is nothing but the process of growing plants, vegetables, fruits and spices or garden itself. My project title is Area Production and Productivity of Different Kinds of Spices from 2008 to 2011. So this is my first story point. In this story, we are going to see about the production and productivity of spices from 2008 to 2011. So there are different kinds of spices available in India. We all know that. So the first story point is uh, a production of spices from 2008 to 2009 in hectare. So I use different colors for different year. For example, in 2008, 2009 I used blue color, and 2010 2009 to 2010 I used some green color, and 2010 to 2011 I used pink color. So to differentiate, and anyone can easily understand the differences between them. So the first story point tells that a production of spices from 2008 to 2009 in hectare. In that chart, we can clearly see that chili has a high production and clove has a low production in hectare in the year 2008 to 2009. The second story point tells that the production of spices from 2008 to 2009 in ton. Uh, in that chart, we can clearly see that chili and garlic has a high production compared to turmeric and coriander. Production of chilies and garlic are high in ton in the year 2008 to 2009. The third story point tells that productivity of spices from 2008 to 2009. In that story point, we can see that productivity of garlic and turmeric is high compared to the other spices in the year 2008 to 2009. We can see the table. We can see the table, like garlic and turmeric have high productivity compared to the other spices like ginger, tamarind, chilies, etc. So it is a color differentiator. Uh, the next story point is chilies and cumin seeds. The production of spices from 2009 to 2010 in hectare. I used a green color for the year 2009 to 2010 just to differentiate the year. In that story point, we can see that chilies and cumin seeds have high production in hectare in 2009 to 2010. Also, the production of chilies are decreased in number compared to 2008. In 2008 to 2009, the production of chilies and uh, cumin seeds are high compared to the year 2009 to 2010. So this is the insight which we got from this chart. And the next one is production of spices from 2009 to 2010 in ton. In the chart, we can see the production of chilies and garlic again high, and also the production of chilies are decreased in number and garlic are increased in number compared to the year 2008 and 2009. The next story point is productivity of spices in the year 2009 to 2010. The productivity of garlic and turmeric is again high in the year 2009 to 2010, and the productivity of garlic slightly increased compared to the turmeric, slightly decreased compared to the year 2008 to 2009. The productivity of garlic is 5.1, the turmeric is 4.4. The next chart is again the production of spices from 2010 to 2011 in hectare. I used pink color to differentiate the year again. The production of chilies and coriander tops the chart. The production of chilies and corianders has a high production in hectare in the year 2010 to 2011, and also the production of chilies and coriander are in increase in number, but production of cumin seeds decrease in number compared to 2009 to 2010. We can see that in 2009 to 2010, cumin seeds productions are high, but in 2010 to 2011 the cumin seeds production were low, slightly decreased. The next story point tells us the production of spices from 2010 to 2011 in ton. Again, chilies and garlics has a high production. There is no change in that. But the production of chilies and garlic are increase in number. Their production slightly increased compared to the year 2009 to 2010. And And the another story point is that the productivity of spices from 2010 to 2011. Here in the table, the again garlic and turmeric tops the table. The productivity of garlic is 5.3 and turmeric is 5.1. Turmeric and ginger slightly increased. Productivity of ginger and turmeric was slightly increased compared to the year 2009 to 2010. The next story point is overall production and productivity of spices from 2008 to 2009. It is the overall production of each spices from 2008 to 2011. Here we can see that chili has a high production in hectare and ton. Production of chili in ton is 3,969 and production of chilies in hectare is 2,338, and the overall productivity uh, and um, and garlic has a high overall productivity from the year 2008 to 2011. Garlic has a productivity of 15 and followed by turmeric 14. The final story point is that the average production productivity of spices from 2008 to 2011. In the chart, we can see that Chile has the highest average in both ton and hectare production. Average production of chilies in ton is 1,232 and average production of chili in hectare is 779. And garlic and turmeric has a high productivity from average high productivity from the year 2008 to 2011. Garlic has a productivity of 5 and turmeric has a productivity of 5. So this is my storyboard. Thank you for watching, and I would like to thank SmartBridge for conducting this amazing event for all the students in India. It helps us to enhance our skills more in data analytics and visualizations and visual analytics. So thank you for this great opportunity. Thank you so much.